Hey guys, we're here at the Kaylee Canyon area at the Trail Canyon trailhead, and you can access this trail from the Echo parking lot area. It is a 4.4 miles out and back, so we should complete it within 2 hours or so. It's rated a difficult trail, so we'll see. We're supposed to see some wildlife in this trail. Hopefully we're lucky. It feels like we're getting some elevation already. How you doing back there?
Gotta warm up.
Yeah, we got the warm-ups so far. It's so good. It feels good to be here in nature, definitely. Nice morning. You definitely want to start these type of trails early morning before the heat here in Nevada. We're in the triple digits currently, so we try to do these trails, hit them early enough. We made it up to the trail, Canyon Trailhead. This is the peak.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Thank you.
Bye.